Hi, this is Tapas Kumar Sahu. I'm basically from Odisha, and I got to know about Multitech Institute from my friend. So one of my friends who is working in the AC field, so he told me about Multitech Institutes. And the journey about the Multitech Institute is damn good, the way they guide us from grassroots to top level as a professional, like the advanced way. So I think it's damn good. And the thing I did a course about the air conditioning mechanical and the PCB. So so nowadays so many inverter based technology has come, so in which the PCB has included, and accordingly I have done mechanical, though I was not aware about the mechanical thing. So the Mr. Prashant sir has guided us very nicely from grassroots to advanced level, and simultaneously Vivek sir, so who is taking classes of this thing like the PCB segment. So who is also guiding from grassroots to advanced level. I found Multitech is damn good, and so people should choose about this institute. So so they can come here and they can get all the facilities, like the way they are providing PGs and so all these things. I think it's good to choose Multitech. As far as me concerned, it's damn good from each and every corner of India. Anybody can come here. So maybe it's south, maybe it's north, maybe it's east, maybe it's west. So anybody can come here and enjoy and make a good career in so whichever choosable field of. Thank you.